Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go over exactly how you can redeem creator codes in Clash Royale. First, open up the game and head over to the shop. Once you're there, scroll all the way down until you see the option that says Enter Code. Simply tap on it, and from here you can enter the creator code of your favorite Supercell partner. For example, you could type in code OJ to support Orange Juice Gaming. After entering the code, hit Done and then tap OK. You'll notice it will now say Currently Supporting OJ. That means your code is active. When you make purchases in the Supercell store while a creator code is active, you'll not only be supporting your favorite content creators at no extra cost, but in some cases you might even unlock exclusive discounts on gems and special offers. And that's all there is to it, super quick and super easy. If this video helped you out, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more Clash Royale videos.